Hello, today I'll be singing an acapella version of Payphone by Maroon 5 featuring Wiz Khalifa. So, hope everyone likes it. Excuse me. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, man, dash. I'll be out spending all this money while you're sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Excuse me. Bit there. Made it from the bottom. Now when you see me, I'm standing, and all of my cars stop with a push of a button, telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switched the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt. You can tell that I'm ballin'. Swish, for the shame good I got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed the last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could have saw. Besides to say it's over for. Phantom Polar, valet, open doors. Wished I go away. Got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you could go and take that little piece of with you. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. And that was Payphone by Maroon 5 featuring Wiz Khalifa, Acapella. So, hope you all like it, and see you in my next video. Thanks, goodbye.